Hello YouTubers, and welcome to my first video. The reason why I created this video is because I could not find anything decent on YouTube on how to clean a vintage painting, oil painting. This is the second painting I'm doing. The first one was really bad and I got it really clean, and I'll show you some photos of that one. But basically all you have to do is get yourself some Q-tips, and it doesn't necessarily have to be Q-tip brand. Get some Dawn. I would suggest using Dawn because if it's safe for those cute little duckies, it's safe for your painting. Now if you have a Rembrandt or a Picasso or something like that, I wouldn't suggest doing this. I would suggest paying the exorbitant amount to get it cleaned and repaired if needed. But for me, this is a painting that my grandmother did. And it was hanging in my dad's house. My mom was a smoker, and they did like to fry a lot of food, and this was hanging in their kitchen. This is the second painting that was in their kitchen, and so it's pretty dirty. I don't know if you can really zoom in, but right here is where you can kind of see a yellowing. I'm gonna see if I can get that off. I was able to get most of it off up here. It's cleaner, and you can see that's the dirt. So all you have to do is grab yourself a Q-tip, dip it in the, I put it like a drop of the dish soap in the water, and then I just get a little bit like that. Get little suds on there, and then apply it to your painting in a circular motion. Light pressure. And as you can see, it is coming off. So you just do that in little areas, and I take the other side. I use one Q-tip, both sides for one area. As I take this off, and you just do that throughout the whole painting, and I'm going to continue on little sections. And then I take a dry one, and I just lightly, in circular motions, make sure I get all that extra water and soap off. There you go. So that's what I'm going to do for this whole painting. It's going to take me, yesterday on the 9x12 I did yesterday, it did take me, I don't know, about 3 or 4 hours, but it's well worth doing to save these beautiful paintings. And then I may change the frame. I'm not sure about this frame, but it came with it, and so that's what my grandmother wanted with it, so I'm going to keep it in it. Alright, so I hope this is helpful to all you YouTubers out there who like to kind of do it yourself first. Certainly save some money, because the Dawn dish soap and the Q-tips. This was full yesterday, just so you know. I used a lot of Q-tips on that last painting. I'll see if I can add the pictures from yesterday. And then just an empty jar with some warm water. Put a little drop of soap in it, fill it up. You're ready to go. Pick a nice sunny day like we're having here, and go to town. All right, hope you're having a great day, and until next time, thank you for watching.